I'm back today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel and you like what you see. And if you are subscribed to my channel already, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. This video is going to be brought to you by the company Megalook hair. I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area for you guys. I have not opened this up, and you know how I do. We're going to open this together. Of course, you get your satin bag. So I'm not gonna open up everything in here, but it does come with an edge band that has the company's logo. Also comes with an edge brush, I think eyelashes, and also an HD wig cap. That I'm showing you guys today is their 6x5 Silky Straight HD lace wig. This one is in the length 18 inches and it's 180% in density. First of all, look at the ends on this hair and how nice and full it looks. I am excited about that because sometimes with Silky Straight wigs, the ends be looking a little bit thin. But Megalook said, here you go. 6x5 parting space area. As you can see, this unit does come with your pre-cut lace. It also comes with your pre-bleached knots, and you do get your removable elastic band. There are no combs on the side of this unit. You get a comb in the back, no adjustable straps, and you get this nice comfortable dome cap. In the very front of the lace, I can already see that this is a little bit of a lighter color than the rest of the lace. So to fix that for me, I'm gonna go in with my tinted spray. That way it can blend in more to my skin. This is what it is looking like on. Now I'm trying to make sure that everything is really comfortable on my head. Make sure my ears are not going to be hurting or anything. Let's check this side. Y'all see how my ear is turning back here. So to fix that, especially with these type of dome caps, I'm just gonna have to slide it back so it doesn't make my ear bend. It is fitting snug right here in the nape area, so I'm not gonna have to worry about it moving around. Also, it's fitting very snug at the top. However, yes, I am still noticing a little bit of room in this area, so there's nothing I can do about that. But I do feel like it's not going to move. I just wish that, you know, the cap wasn't so big in this area. Getting to this hairline, this is what it looks like straight out of the box. I feel like it looks good. Once I add my heat and everything to it and kind of sleek it out a little bit more, I think it'll lay down a little bit better. The lace, I feel like I could have went in just a little bit more. Like, look at that. I feel like I could have just went in a little bit more with my tint spray, and I might end up doing that. We're gonna see. Because I do think once maybe I add my mousse, I think I'll be fine. simple and easy install. I went in using a little bit of my olive oil mousse around the front of the hairline. Now, I consider putting a little bit more tint around the front because I felt like it was still a little bit too light. But once I trimmed down some of those pieces and added the mousse and tied it down with the elastic band, I feel like it blends in really well to my skin. However, in the natural sunlight, as I was taking pictures, depending on how you turn, I feel like you can still see a little bit of the lace. I come to kind of press everything back. The front of the hairline could have been plucked out just a little bit more, but I decided to leave it alone because of how full this hair looks. I didn't want it to come off too thin in the front and then be super full around the rest of the unit. I had to really work back here to get this to lay down. For some reason, the way that the hair is on one of these tracks, it kept trying to flip up this way. So I had to go in with some mousse and I had to use my hot comb a few times just to kind of get it to lay down. And I also feel like if I turn a certain way, you can kind of see where it just wants to stick up. It does not want to lay down at all. So the frizziness at the top, I used a little bit of my mousse to kind of lay that down so it could still come off looking really natural, because I didn't want to go in with a lot of the wax because this is a silky texture, so I didn't want it to look super shiny at the top. Before I used my flat iron, I did tell you guys that I was noticing a little bit of snags, like kind of right in this area. This hair feels really nice and soft, but just beware, this is very thick. Okay, if you do not like thick density, especially towards the ends of the hair where you're going to feel it, you might want to see if they offer a lower density in another style, because this one is meant to be nice and full. I also noticed on the website that this does come in a layered style, and it also comes in different colors that you can choose from. I like the full look like this. However, I know the layer style would be really nice, especially if you wanted to frame your face. But you're not gonna have to worry about any thinness. You're not gonna have to worry about the track showing or anything. Now, I do like that it's not too heavy of density in this area, but like I stated, I can definitely feel the weight of this unit, especially now that it's curled at the bottom. I can really feel it. But it's going to make a nice ponytail, and you can even put this up in a nice clip and it's still going to look really full. The straight look was cool, but I wanted to add a little bit of curls to this, and I didn't want it to be too defined. I wanted to have some nice waves at the bottom, but I focused more right in this area on having a tighter curl. So I had to go back in the front and kind of recurl those pieces a little bit more. If you want this to stay, you're definitely gonna have to go in with some type of holding spray. Curls on this look really nice. I think if you want a more wavier look, I would definitely go in with a wand curler just to kind of get it a little bit more defined. As far as snags go, I feel like with the ends, that's where you're going to have to pay attention to it at, and also the nape area, especially if you're going to be wearing this in the summertime, you're sweating and everything. But I feel like because the hair is so soft, it's not going to require too much maintenance. What you guys think about this unit? Did you like the sleek straight look, or are you feeling the waves that are going on? If you are feeling this unit, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.